swarm season has begun. We have already caught our first swarm of the year, and it's not even April yet. Last year we were able to catch 3 swarms, although we did give 2 of those away. This one will bring us to 4 hives total. We were lucky that this swarm landed low on one of our small plum trees. That made it easy to get to as opposed to last year's where we had to climb ladders. All that was needed to be done was to get a box ready with a bottom and a lid. Take a few of the frames out and set the box up next to the tree where the bees are located. Take a soft brush and brush the bees into the box. Now the key is to make sure that you get the queen inside. The worker bees will follow the queen. Once you get the queen inside the box, you close the lid and eventually all the other bees that were on the tree will go into the box to protect the queen. This was a very simple, cost-effective way to get free bees. It saves several $100s and you have a strong hive starting out early spring. Last year we did not collect honey because we wanted to make sure that our bees had enough time to collect their honey and make it through the winter. But because we got this swarm so soon in the year, we will hopefully be able to collect honey this year. We will keep you updated. S.H.T.F. Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.